Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside here, and it's the daily weekend dog here at Black Dog Salvage, and I've got a project I just finished for some customers, and they will be getting it hopefully next week. I just wanted to share it with you. We have an old Bally block. Bally block is a butcher block company up in Bally, Pennsylvania. Robert's grandfather and father worked there, and we did one of our episodes there for our bar in our office. They made the top for us, and they made it just out of the same material that this particular block is, and it's called a double blind dovetail. And it's I'll show you here in a second how they put it together. We got a 125-year-old machine that does that, and I've got kind of a dinosaur here. It's a brand new Bally block, and it's the last one that they're going to be making or have made, at least for a while, because they are overbooked and COVID's kind of hurt them, and they're just not doing these big blocks anymore. So I sold it to some customers down in Florida and did something kind of fun with it because they wanted some more utility. And this is a 16 by 60 by 30 block. And it's called a meat block because they use them in butcher shops and fish markets to, do their thing. And we've got a few of them around that are ancient and have been 100 plus years old and still got hundreds of years left. And so this is kind of a transgenerational block. It's an heirloom piece. It'll last for a long time. But what I did is I took the block, right? They needed it to be 36 inches. So it was only 34. So what I did was add to the bottom and then put it on a lathe and turned it out and did it on all four legs. I added a lower shelf, and this shelf is made out of maple. I'll show you the original here in a second. And this is a maple grate that came off of a carving machine in North Carolina. And then these are just baskets that we have picked up through the years. And I built a slide system for them. Let me see if I can get up on here and show you. You see, angle iron, welded it to the basket. It's just a mechanical fit, but it's kind of, it's very simple. We do these kind of baskets all the time. And you can take it from both sides. So coming over the top of the block, I'm showing you the double spline, and this is a dovetail. And that machine does this for them, and it's an incredible old machine. We got to see it work one time, so I don't know which episode that was, but you can kind of go through maybe season 8. And so this is the other side of the block. So you can put your onions and potatoes and whatnot in there to, just a functional butcher block kitchen island. And it's a monster. This thing weighs well over 800 pounds. And so, you're not going to just lift it up and put it in your kitchen. But I was saying about the lower grate, I had to resize it from its original size. And it came from a carving machine, multi-head carving machine, very old, down in North Carolina. And you can see this is another one I have that is uncut. And you can see how big it is. And it has some cuts in it from the carving heads going a little bit askew. And it just gives some character. But I took all that away. I cut one rung off, and then I cut it down to size and added another piece of maple on the end. And it turned out great. I got 9 more of these left if you're interested. They make super benches, coffee tables, whatever. And I just use them again for the shelving. Anyway, that's Saturday in Black Dog, and we're still working, still making custom stuff for everybody out there that wants one or some. Shop is really getting booked up right now, so if you're interested in having something done, I don't think we'll be able to do anything big before Christmas, but book next year, get a slot and give us something to build for you guys, because we've got a lot of product and we'd love to share it with you. So be good to yourself, as always. Make somebody smile if you got an opportunity. It doesn't cost anything, and passing on that good energy. All right, love you guys. Be safe. We'll see you when it goes around one more time.